Paggawa ng latik? Paano ba makagawa ng marami? Ano bang dapat gamitin? Coconut milk o coconut cream? Gaano ba siya katagal lutuin? Paano ang heat? Malakas ba o mahina? At kailangan ba siyang haluin? Let me show you. Marami kasi nagtatanong, bakit daw pag gumagawa sila ng latik, wala daw natitira, puro oil lang at kakaunti talaga. So this one sa 19 ounces na isang lata ng coconut cream, magagawa mo rin ganito karami na latik. So yes, I am using 19 ounces coconut cream. Pwede ang kakang gata or unang piga. Turn nyo ang heat nyo to high. So let it boil for 5 minutes without stirring. After 5 minutes, just scrape the sides ng pan. Let it continue boiling. Then after 5 minutes, scrape nyo ulit ang sides ng pan. Then lower the heat to medium. Continue boiling, then after 5 minutes, scrape nyo ulit ang sides ng pan. Continue boiling for another 5 minutes. Then turn nyo ang heat to medium-low. Scrape nyo ulit ang sides. After 5 minutes, now you can start stirring. So to sum it up, first 20 minutes, scrape the sides every 5 minutes, then halfway through, hinaan nyo lang ng konti ang apoy. After about 20 minutes, this is how it should look like. This is the stage where you see the oil is separating from the coconut milk itself. So after every about 2 minutes, I occasionally scrape it or mix it. First, para hindi dumikit, and yung nagba-brown na is mag-even ang color nila. So, very important when using coconut cream, sa first 20 minutes niya, hayaan nyo lang na kumulo siya without stirring it. That way, mag-separate ang oil at saka yung mismong curd niya. So, I continued cooking until it's golden brown. Now it's ready. Ang total cooking time is about 35 to 40 minutes. Then, salain lang natin para ma-separate ang oil. Kung may natutunan ka at nagustuhan mo ang video na ito, don't forget to share. Perfect sa mga kakanin. With this amount, you can make 2 8 inches ng kalamay or kakanin. Enjoy! Thanks for watching!